Welcome back, y'all. Today I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. In the kitchen, cooking with these gadgets. And today's gadget is this fork. It's two of them. And I use it to stab, even though I am going to be releasing a lot of juices. Just stab this chicken and turn it over. Look at that. Lift it and everything. These are pretty good. Anyway, this is in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. And the gadget of the day is this fork that helps me turn over my lemon roasted chickens that I'm cooking right now. I don't know how good y'all can see them, but anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed another episode in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets.